Hi guys, if you want to add a horizontal line in Google Docs like this or this or this, then let's see how to do it. So here is the first method. In case if you want to just add a basic horizontal line, for that, first of all take your cursor where you want to add the horizontal line. Let's say you want to add the horizontal line here. So simply take your cursor here. You can see. And now to add the horizontal line, first of all go to the insert section. And here you will see the option horizontal line. Simply click on it and a basic horizontal line will be added. You can see. Let's say you want to add the horizontal line here. So simply take your cursor here. Now go to the insert section and then click on horizontal line. And the horizontal line will be added. Now let's see the next method. If you want to add a bold, dotted or dashed horizontal line with the color of your choice, for that, first of all take your cursor where you want to add the horizontal line. Let's say you want to add it here. So simply take your cursor here. And now to add the horizontal line, first of all go to the format section and then click on paragraph styles and then click on borders in shading option. Now from here, first of all select the position of the border. Either you want a top border or bottom border. I want to add a bottom border. So I'll simply select the bottom border option here and it will be selected. And now from the border width, you can select the border thickness. So for that, simply click here and from here, select whatever border thickness you want. Let's say I want this size. So I'll simply click on it. And from the border dash section, you can select the border type. For that, simply click here. And from here, you can choose either you want a solid border, dotted border or dashed border. I want a solid border. So I'll simply select this. And now if you want to change the border color, for that simply click here. And from here, select any border color you want. Let's say I want to make my border color blue. So I'll simply select the blue color. Here it is. And once you have selected the border position, border width, border type, border color, then simply click on apply button here. And here you can see a bold horizontal line with color of your choice has been added. Let's see one more time. To add a bold horizontal line with color of your choice, first of all take your cursor where you want to add the horizontal line. Let's say you want to add it here. So simply take your cursor here and then go to the format section and then click on paragraph styles and then click on borders and shading option. And now from here, select the border position. Let's say I want to add a top border. So I'll select the top border. And from the border width, you can select the border thickness. Let's say I want to make it this thick. Now from the border dash, you can select the border type. Let's say I want to add a dotted horizontal line. So I will select the dotted border here. Here it is. And from the border color, you can select the color of your horizontal line. For that, simply click here and select whatever color you want. Let's say I want the red color. So I'll simply select the red. And once you have selected the borderline position, thickness, type and color, then simply click on apply button. And the horizontal line with the type and color of your choice will be added. Now let's see the next method. If you want to add a bold, dotted and colorful horizontal line of any length, for that, first of all go to the insert section and then click on drawing and then click on new option. And now from the drawing menu, simply click on line option here and then click anywhere in the drawing panel. You can see a line will be added. To make it horizontal, simply drag it from the corner and make it horizontal. You can see now you have a horizontal line. To customize this horizontal line, simply click on the line. And now from here, you can change the line color. Let's say I want to make my horizontal line purple. So I'll simply select the purple. And to change the horizontal line thickness, simply click on this line weight option. And from here, select whatever thickness you want. Let's say I want this thickness. So I'll simply click on it. And to change the line type, simply click on this line dash option. And from here, you can select any line type you want. Either you want a solid horizontal line, dotted horizontal line or dashed or any of these. I want a solid horizontal line. So I'll simply select this. And once you are done with the customization, simply click on save and close option here. Now in case If you want to change the length or thickness of this horizontal line, for that simply click once, and after clicking on it, these options will appear. From here, simply click on this 3 dot vertical icon, and from here select size and rotation. Simply click on it, and now from here you can change the height and width of this horizontal line. So to change the width or height of this horizontal line, first of all make sure you uncheck this option, lock aspect ratio. First of all uncheck it, and now you can freely change the width and height of this horizontal line. Let's say I want to increase the width. Here you can see the width is right now 2.38 inch. So from here I will make the width 6 inch, and you can see the width of horizontal line has changed. If you want to change the height, from the height section here you can type any value you want. Let's say I want to make it 0.08, so I'll type it here, and you can see the height and width of this horizontal line has changed. You can see. To change the height and width of this horizontal line, simply click on it once, and then click on this 3 dot vertical icon, and then select size and rotation. And from the size and rotation section here, you can change the width and height. Let's say you want to reduce the width, then you can reduce it from here. You can see. Similarly, if you want to reduce the height or increase it, you can do it from here. To reduce the height, type any lesser value. Let's say I want to type it 4, and the thickness will be reduced. If you want to increase the thickness, type any higher value, and the thickness of this horizontal line will be increased. Once you are done with the customization, simply close it. And now you can see you have a bold and colorful horizontal line with length of your choice. You can see. So that's it guys. This is how you can easily add a horizontal line in Google Docs. If you like this video, please subscribe the channel.